Hi guys, in this video pakita natin sa inyo kung paano nga ba kayo makakapag-trade with this kind of scenario sa market, no? So here we are seeing that the market is uptrend, and so kitang-kita naman merong mga talagang pataas siya, no? Makikita nyo naman wala naman talaga siyang pagbaba na malaki, no? So eto, tinake note lang natin na meron tayong strong support dito sa level na to, and yan, since tuloy-tuloy yung pagtaas niya, no? So let's draw a trend line here. Yan, so yan. So that's the trend line, and we are seeing here na talagang pataas naman talaga siya, no? So let's draw another trend line dito naman sa taas. Yan. Okay. So yan, pataas pa rin siya. Yan, so pataas siya, but at the same time, kung makikita nyo with the RSI, yan, so yung RSI, this is the RSI, and it measures yung lakas ng bullishness or ng bearishness ng isang asset. So upon checking here, no, kahit pataas siya, so humina yung lakas niya, yung dami ng bumibili, yung lakas ng pag-akyat niya, so gapang na lang siya, kumbaga. Ang ibig sabihin niyan is syempre nawawalan na or humihina na yung mga sellers, pero continue pa rin yung pagtaas ng mga ng price, no? So this scenario indicates na possible na bumaba na yung market, no? And magkaroon ng correction. So again, I would say na correction yung temporary ng pagbaba, no? Yung deep na pagbaba ng market, kasi hindi naman yan continuously na pataas lang, no? So kung mapansin nyo, meron din mga pagbaba dito. Yan, so mga yan. So pumapantay talaga siya para magkaroon siya ng buwelo, no? Again, it all depends on the fundamentals ng market, no, or ng asset. Kahit na bullish yan, magkakaroon pa rin ng retracement or ng mga correction yan, pullbacks kung tawagin, kasi hindi naman siya talaga continuously pababa. So what will we do with this kind of scenario? So again, let's wait for a confirmation, no? So let's see kung ano ba yung mangyayari dito sa market na to. Ayan. Okay, ayan. So makikita nyo, na-break niya na yung trend line. So pumunta siya doon sa support na yon. So ano ba yung gagawin natin with that kind of scenario? Okay, so nakita natin na break niya na yung trend line. So pababa na ba siya? Okay, so yun yung tanong doon, pababa na ba siya? So let's see kung ano yung mga mangyayari, no? Okay, so yan, umakyat siya ulit, and that's a retest, probably a retest to. Okay, and it went further down. Yan. Ayan nga, na-break niya yung trend line, and may bearish divergence. And our best option, our best bet here is that we entered here. So kasi itong trend line na to, pag nabasag, yan yung confirmation natin Nakapag nabasag yan, and then nag-retrace yan, nag-pull back siya dyan. So bumaba siya, umakyat siya ulit, then bumagsak siya. This is our best option para mag-enter. No, so that's our take on this kind of setup, no? So with the bearish divergence and breaking of the trend line, so again, we need to have that mga confluences, no? Hindi lang isa, hindi lang pag may nakita kang bearish divergence, yun na yun, sell ka na agad. So we still need to have that confirmation before we go on short or we go on long. That's one way to look at it. Okay, so again, multiple confluences, no? So this is on a 4-hour time frame, and if we are going to go down sa mga M30, M15 or M5, mas malaki yung move niyan, and this will give you a big profit kung na-catch nyo yan, no? Pwede kang mag-enter pag break niyang neckline na yan, kasi this is considered as a double top, no? And again, same spot ng, okay, so remove natin yung mga drawings, no? So lagay tayo ng ayan. Okay, so if we are going to use this as a reversal pattern, and okay, so same spot, we can go short here. Okay, so again, always wait for a confirmation and a retest before you go on a different side ng reversal. Okay, so kasi many times nagka-counter trend tayo and akala natin magtutuloy-tuloy, no, pero hindi pala. So may iwan yung trade natin or may stop lang tayo ng may stop kasi pinipilit natin, and that's not really profitable. Okay, so that's how we trade this kind of setup. Always wait for a confirmation and always wait for a retest if we're going to go for a different direction. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much.